How to create your product from Vendor Dashboard. Navigate to Vendor Dashboard, click on Products from the left menu and then Add New Products button from the top right corner. It will open a new window where you'll be able to create a new product very easily by providing the most important details only. The common information about a product is the title, price, description. Discount price is optional. You can even schedule discounts for a certain amount of time. You can enter a starting date and end date to apply automatic discounts to your product. Both the categories and tags have to be created by the admin. The vendor can only select them from the front-end dashboard, because allowing the vendors to create categories and tags might result in duplicates. By default, category selection is singular. That is why there is a drop-down field to select a category. This should be the standard setting. As there can be thousands of tags on a site, we have placed a searching feature on the tags field. Let's say you need to add a tag named wood, so if you type 3 or more characters, the tag will appear below just like Google search. So only typing wood will bring wood. You can hit the down arrow on the keyboard or click on the result to add that in the field. After you have provided all the required information, click on the Create Product button. It will create the product and redirect you to the product edit page, where you'll be able to add more information about your product. If you want to create the product and add another one immediately, click on the Create and Add New button. After you have been redirected to the product edit page, there is an option to select a product type. You can select either simple or variable product. Selecting simple product type. What is simple product? These types of products are simple and have no variants. They are single and standalone products, which does not require any other information to define different variants. Selecting variable product type. What is variable product? A variable product is a product that has different types of variants. For example, you might want to sell a dress which is available in 3 different colors and sizes. So this option will enable you to add those colors and sizes you need. You can add variations based on anything you like, perhaps material used or the stitching style. To create a variation from the front end, the vendor has to select variable product type from the drop-down menu. Then some new fields will appear to input the attributes and the variations. If your product attributes such as color, model, package, size is already in the lists, then you can select them from the drop-down on the top right and click Add option. If you do not need all the attributes in your product, then you can remove or add more if you want. Now if you need custom variations and attributes of your own, then you have to select custom attributes and then click Add attribute. Then 2 blank fields will appear to input the attribute names such as gender and values such as male, female. Once you are done, click Save Attribute button. Then select Create Variation from All Attribute from the drop-down menu. The system will make all possible combinations and will prompt you to add prices for those variations. If you want to disable any variation, then you can uncheck the box on the left. Quantity and variation picture adding function will not be available right away. You have to save the product once to get those options. Right after saving the product, the fields above will have a pencil icon on the right. Click on that to add more details to the variations. What is SKU? SKU stands for Stock Keeping Unit. It should be a unique set of characters which will not match to any other product. How to enable product stock management. Let's say you have 10 pieces of the product and you don't want to receive order after orders are placed for 10 units. If you enable stock management and enter 10 in the quantity field, then after 10 units are ordered, this product will show a message that all the quantities are sold and there is no stock. But, you might want to take some pre-orders before your next batch comes up, so you can allow back order to let the customers place orders even if the product is out of stock. What is downloadable product? If you are selling photos, music, software or any digital product, then this is the option to use. If you click on the Add File button, 3 more fields will be added. The name field defines what the downloaded file name should be. We are letting you define that because you might name the original file to something like New Album Updated Jan 12 zip and you want the user to download the file as New Album. So this option will be useful for you to serve and organize better. If you are serving the files from your very own site, then you can click on Choose File and select. But you can also serve the file from Dropbox, Google Drive or some other file hosting site you like.